It's Monday and I think you know what that means. It's time for our favorite cooking show, Munchie Mondays. In today's episode of Munchie Mondays, we'll be learning how to cook enchiladas, spam musubi, pizza, tiramisu, and caramel breaded popcorn. Let's go to Ava J with tiramisu. That looks delicious. Thanks, Ava J. Craving enchiladas? Well, I got you. In this video, I'll be showing you how to...
In a saucepan over medium heat, combine oil and flour. Mix together and wait for it to heat up for a minute. Pour your red sauce, chicken broth, and seasoning, then bring to a boil. Set to the side and let simmer. Next, we're going to start with the meat. In a large skillet, combine ground beef and onions over medium heat. Once those two are cooked, get a baking dish. Pour some of the sauce into the baking dish, then drench your tortillas in sauce. Add the meat and some other optional items. Roll the tortilla up and set to the side of the dish. Repeat this 5 or 6 more times and then top the tortillas with cheese.
Make some. Don't those look good? Make sure you try them out. Do you ever want spam musubi but don't know how to make it? Well, let's go to Ethan to show us how to make some. pizza? Well, Sam will be showing us how to make one.
Hello, students. this is Sam, and today we're going to learn how to make pizza. Here's our materials. We first prepare all-purpose flour, put a little salt, olive oil, and mix them with yeast water to form a dough. Then put them in a little glass bowl and put some oil in it to prevent sticking. And put it on a plastic wrap and put it in the oven for 5 minutes to warm it up. And after you do that, you do it like this. You use a stick, and now you poke the little holes on it. You put the oil again, and you put sauce on it, the pizza sauce. You put cheese and pineapples and also sausage. And put cheese again. Put it in the oven. Set the time for 15 minutes, 400 degrees. Now you got a perfect pizza. Nice job. Looks so delicious.
Thanks, Sam. That looks scrumptious. Now it's time for dessert. Let's go to Jacob to show us how to make caramel breaded popcorn.
Hello, I'll be teaching you how to make caramel bread popcorn. Let's get started. You will need food scissors, bread, sugar, milk, water, butter, and a spatula. Cut your bread into thin strips as many times as you need to until you have no more bread left. After that, you will need to cut the thin strips into square-like shapes. After you've done all this, prepare a pan and put all the bread in it. Then turn on the heat to low and stir it occasionally. After your bread is slightly crisp, take it off the pan and add your sugar and water on low heat. Do not stir the sugar and water and let it simmer in the pan until it looks like this. And add your butter and milk. Be careful, it may splatter on you or burn your hand. Continually stir the mixture until it looks like this. Then add your bread and stir or flip it to coat the bread. Then use wax or parchment paper to cool the bread down and spread it out so that none of them are touching or sticking together. That's how you make this sweet snack. Enjoy!
Amazing. Definitely gotta try those out. Well, that's it for Munchie Monday on this week. Be sure to tune in next week for another episode of Munchie Mondays.